Hello everyone, hope you are well. So today in this video I am going to talk about how to earn money from share market. So without wasting your time, let's get start this video. So nobody can give you guarantee or assurance that you can earn money from share market or stock market, but that does not mean that you should not invest your money into share market. You can definitely invest your money into share market, but in order to making profit from share market, you must consider some factors. Now what are the factors are? You should analyze the financial condition of that company, which company share you want to buy. Is the company gaining profit or going through losses? What is the price of the share of that company? Is the price of that share of that company going upward or downward? What is the price earning ratio of that company's share? Is the company paying dividend to their shareholder on regular basis or not? Now there are some factors you must avoid in order to earn profit from the share market. The factors are: number one, you should not invest a lot of money at the beginning stage. You should invest a small portion or a small quantity of money at the beginning or initial stage. Number two, you should not invest in just one company's share. You should invest separate or different companies' share. Number three, you should not take any decision emotionally. You should analyze the share market condition or stock market situation in case of buying or selling share. Now that's the end of this video. I'll come again with another new topic. Till then, goodbye.